Okay, so we'll solve one problem in isometric, and that is this tetrahedron problem, which is placed on a rectangular slab. Okay, so in this problem, don't see the solution part right now. So here he says that there is a tetrahedron of 45 sides such that the axes of the solids are collinear, and at least one of the edges of the both sides are parallel to VP. In the sense, see, edges are parallel to VP, so it simply means that one side is parallel to VP. See, one side is parallel to VP. That's it. Nothing else is required. When tetrahedron of size whatever, so you have to take time 60, 80 and 26. Okay, now you just have to build this tetrahedron. So we will do this in the software, so let's go there. So this was one of the previous problems we had solved. Since there is no much space left in this page, we'll move on to a new page. Now here we'll do tetrahedron. So the speciality of tetrahedron is it's like all the sides are equal, like all the no matter from where you see, it's a equilateral type. So before placing that on a what to say rectangular slab, we have to first. Okay, it's too much. What did he say? They said it's 45, right? So I'll just take a line. Okay, let me for now do it in center. So this should be 45 if I'm not wrong. Enter. Okay, again 45. I have to place it in the center. Then here. Now what I have to do? I have to. I'll just draw one line like this. Why? Because I need the centers, right? So I have to divide it in such a way that all the sides, so this should go here and this should go here. Okay, then I'll delete trim. Okay, let's see if it works. See, over. So now we have done our tetrahedron. That's it, right? So now what they are saying, one of its, so we know only the side of this, okay, but we don't know the height of this. So how are you going to find the height? So it's not that complicated. Since first you have to do this much, then what you have to do, you have to simply draw this line. Okay, I'll just draw a random height, just draw it a bit tall. Okay, I have done tall. So then I'll change this line style, since it is an axis line, right? So I have to change that into this chain line. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll select this arc by center point. I'll select this point. I'll type 45, hit enter. I'll cut, escape, trimmed. Then I'll go to line. Then see, done. So now if I take the smart dimension, see 36.74, and this was our 45 height. Okay, I have to just what to say, change the width of the visible edges. So from top view all of these lines are visible. Okay, because those are the edges. This is not visible, that's the axial line. So now I'll just change this. It's actually 0.4, but I'm taking 0.5 just for you to make it visible. So since sometimes in laptop, whenever I'm screen recording, it's not that accurately visible, so I just want it to be visible, like very thick and fat, bold. So now I have to first make a rectangular slab. So let's start doing it. Now I'll just start. So what did I say? It was 80, 60 and 20, right? So this side will keep 60, this side will keep 80. as it was. You can do however you want. You can take 80 here and 60 there. Both are fine, not a problem. 80. Okay, it's actually a big slab. I'll take here 30. Okay, then 60, 150. Then again 80 minus 150. I'm just typing those numbers. Okay, then here. Okay, escape. So it's proper. Oh, sorry. First, we had to draw a base, right? I forgot. Uh, Let it be 30. Okay. Now what I have to do? Rectangular slab, right? So I can just copy this. First, let me height is 20. Enter. Now I'll select move option. Turn on copy. I'll select this. Tap here. Tap here. Hit escape. Delete this. Delete this. Now I'll just place the line here, here, and here, and I'll just put a line from here to here because I want the center, right? So now let's create our tetrahedron. So for creating tetrahedron, we want this height, right? Because that's very important for us. So we will begin with the construction of our tetrahedron. For drawing a tetrahedron, we must know the height. See, height is height. So, but the one more thing we should know here is that we can just place one side of the tetrahedron, but the other side, like we are confused how to place. So it's not a problem. See, one thing is sure that this thing, it is center, right? The opposite point is on the center. So if I just select the extend to next option, and so with the help of smart dimension, if I try to measure this, it's 38.97. okay, so what I can do, I can make a line. So we'll take it like this. So it is 45, right? Hit enter and I'll type 30. Enter. Now from here what I'll do, I'll click here, I'll type 38 point, okay, so 38.97. Hit enter. I have to keep it for 150 degree. Hit enter. Oh. Okay, we'll see properly. Now I have to do it like this, from the center. What's the height? 36.74. 36.74. So that's your tetrahedron, the visible edges. And just this is not visible, so I'll select 0.35 and oh, it's not this, it's this, and this just this line will be our axial line. Did it change? Okay, I have to select this, I guess. Yeah, I had to zoom to. So now what I can do, I can select the center. I have to copy this whole thing, move, not copy, move the whole thing. Select this whole and place it on the center. Okay, so this was our tetrahedron of 1, 2, 3 sides. In isometric, it will look like this. Okay, so sometimes if you want, you can simply create a box also. See here it is 45. The height you want is 38. So basically you should actually. So if I have to show you, if I do Control Z, array this thing. So you had to take from this point 38.97, right? 38.97. Hit enter at 150 degree. Okay, then you had to take 45, I guess. 45, enter. 30, enter. Then you have to put this line here. You got the base now, and on this base you have to select. Okay, see, basically that's what is going to happen, right? If you select this play line here, so you need a box first. You can create a box easily in isometric. Once you have created the box, then the center of that actual line is nothing. Or if not, you can just take 90 degree from compass at this exact line and just do it. That's very simple. So since it is isometric, you shouldn't take 90 degree. You can simply take 30 degree. So now what I'll do, again I'll move this whole thing. So now we know, right, how it was. It's actually done. I'll place it on the center. So now you can see some part of the rectangle. This, it's not visible. It's been hidden or covered by the tetrahedron. So I'll just split that part. Zoom out. Control. Select all the lines which are visible. Here, here. If I zoom this part. Okay. Style. Okay, done. Then the lines which are not visible, 1, 2, 3. I missed one line, I know that, not a problem, we'll change it. 0.35. This, I had selected this, but I guess there is a problem in my mouse. Done. Yeah, so I can give the dimensions. I have to give dimension for this. Whenever you may give dimensions in your book, you have to type what to say, ISO. I'll give it here. Okay, this also can be given. Press escape. Angular dimensions 30, 30. Okay, so this was our tetrahedron on a rectangular slab. Quite easy, right? See, the picture itself looks so complicated. Don't forget to do the namings. Okay, writing from a pencil is very easy. So for you, I'm just showing how to do. Naming and everything is your job, Bruce. Seriously. So my job is to teach how to do and how to make you understand. While doing this software problem, I'm also teaching you how to do in your notebook also. So that's all I can do, not more than that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. So that's it for this class.